Good morning, students. Today we will study the formation of ethylene molecule. Ethylene molecule is sp2 hybridized. So you know that what is sp3 hybridization, what is sp2 hybridization, and what is sp hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, 1s and 3p orbitals mix to form 4 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. But in sp2, 1, 2s and 2p orbitals hybridize to give 3 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. So this is the hybridization in example of ethylene molecule. So today we will study the formation of ethylene molecule. What is ethylene molecule? Ethylene molecule is sp2 hybridized. So sp2 hybridized, and you know what is sp2 hybridization and how is the molecule formed and how hybridization is taken, we will see in detail. This is structure of ethylene molecule C2H4. So the C2 formula is C2H4. The bond angle is 120 degrees. You are seeing this is C2H4. This is the structure of ethylene molecule. In ethylene molecule, one orbital, that is 2p orbital, is unhybridized. So here this is in ground state, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, x2. So one of the electron 2px1, 2py1, one of the electron from 2s goes to 2pz, and in excited state we are having the electronic confusion 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So in this, what is happening, the carbon is here sp2 hybridized. So here 1, 2s and 2p orbitals are combining to give 3 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy, and this 2pz orbitals is unhybridized. This 2pz orbital is unhybridized. It is not involved in hybridization because it is sp2 hybridized. Ethylene molecule is sp2 hybridized. So here this you should remember, 2pz orbital is unhybridized, means one orbital is unhybridized. In objective type the question can be asked, how many orbitals are unhybridized in ethylene? So what is one orbital is unhybridized, that is 2pz orbital is unhybridized. Molecular orbital diagram of sp2 hybridization. 1, 2s and 2p are mixing to give 3 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy. sp2 hybrid orbitals, how many? 3 hybrid orbitals of equivalent energy are formed. Formation of ethylene molecule. So these are the 3 hybrid. The formula is C2H4. So C2 means these both carbons are sp2 hybridized. This one carbon, this 2 carbon. It is sp2 hybridized. So how many hybrid orbitals on each carbon? There are 3 hybrid orbitals. 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3. This blue colored are sp2 hybrid orbitals, and this lengthwise this is shown, that is 2pz orbital which is unhybridized. We are showing 2pz orbitals. The shape is somewhat different and the color which is shown with dotted lines. So this 2 sp2, there are 3 and 3 sp2. So this overlap of sp2 and sp2 is taking place to form sigma bond, where sp2s is overlapping to give sigma bond, sp2s is overlapping to give sigma bond, sp2s, sp2s. These are sigma bonds, and by the overlap of this 2pz atomic orbital, pi bond is formed. What is pi bond? It is formed by the lateral overlap of orbital is known as, the bond formed by lateral overlap is known as pi bond. So here one pi bond is formed and one sigma bond is formed. So there are 2 bonds, one is sigma bond and one is pi bond. How is sigma bond formed? Sigma bond is formed by sp2 overlap. And how is the pi bond formed? By the overlap of 2pz and 2pz atomic orbitals. So this is formed by pi bond is formed. This is formed by lateral overlap and this is known as pi bond. So double bond is in carbon there are double bond is formed. So here this is for examination, molecular orbital diagram of ethylene molecule, how it is there. You are shown these 3 orbitals are there. See, these are 3 hybrid orbitals and this shown with dotted lines overlapping. This is the unhybridized atomic orbital. I told you that is one unhybridized orbital is there, 2pz. So this 2pz you have to show this way. The dumbbell shape 2pz is p orbitals are dumbbell shape. So overlapping is shown here, lateral overlap, and pi bond is formed. Now here sigma bond is formed by sp2 overlap, sigma bond is formed, sp2s overlap, sigma bond, sigma bond. So 4 sigma bonds by sp2sa overlap, 1 sigma bond by sp2 overlap, and 1 pi bond by pz and pz atomic orbital. These are all sigma bonds. 1 2 3 4 5 are sigma bonds. That out of that 4 sigma bonds are formed by sp2s overlap, and 1 pi bond and 1 sigma bond is formed by c dash C sp2 overlap, and this is the sigma bond, and pi bond is formed by lateral overlap of 2pz atomic orbitals. So once more we are revising here. How is sigma bond formed? How is pi bond formed? Sigma bond is formed by axial overlap, pi bond is formed by lateral overlap. This in the first slide we have seen. Once more we are revising. How is the sigma bond and pi bond? See it is, how is sigma bond formed? By axial overlap. How is pi bond formed? By lateral overlap. So remember, how is sigma bond formed? How is pi bond formed? Diagram showing bond angle 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond in ethylene. So how many sigma bonds are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 sigma bonds are there, and out of that 4 sigma bonds are formed by sp2s overlap, that is C dash H bond, and 1 sigma bond is formed by C dash C overlap, that is sp2 overlap, and the bond angle HCC bond angle is 120 degree. H bond angle is 120 degrees. All the bond angles. So here all the points we will revise here. Formation of ethylene. Ethylene molecule is sp2 hybridized. The molecular formula is C2H4. In this there are 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Out of 5 sigma bonds, 4 sigma bonds are formed by sp2s overlap, and 1 sigma bond is formed by sp2 overlap. 1 pi bond is formed by 2pz overlap of orbital. This is lateral overlap. The H-C bond angle is 120 degrees. The geometry of the molecule is trigonal planar. The C double bond C bond length is 1.34 angstrom, and C dash H bond length is 1.10 angstrom. So all these points are very important. We have to write all these points in the exams. Very important. So this is the geometry of ethylene molecule. Trigonal planar means it is in one plane. All the atoms are in one plane. Trigonal planar. The molecule is trigonal planar molecule. So it is a CH2 bond, double bond, CH2 is the structure. In this way also we can write the ethylene molecule. CH2 double bond, CH2, out of which one is sigma bond, one is pi bond. This is trigonal planar molecule. This is ball and stick model of ethylene. This blue colored are carbon atoms and green colored are hydrogen atoms, and this ash colors are bonds. This is C dash H bond, C dash H bond, C dash H, C dash H. This is C dash C bond. One is sigma bond, one is pi bond. Sigma bond is formed by sp2 overlap, and pi bond is formed by 2pz atomic orbital. So this is a ball and stick model of ethylene. So today we have studied the structure of ethylene molecule. How it is formed, how the bonds are formed, how double bond is formed, and how are the carbons, what is the formula. All the points we have covered here.